frantically searching for your Remitly transfer and can't find that crucial reference number? Don't worry, we'll guide you through the process, step by step. First, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you're already logged in, great. If not, go ahead and log in using your email and password. Next, look for the Activity tab. It's usually located at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. On the Activity screen, you will see a list of all your past Remitly transfers. Scroll through the list to find the transfer you are looking for. The transfers are usually listed in chronological order, with the most recent at the top. Once you've located the correct transfer, tap on it. This will open up the Transfer Details screen, which has all the information related to the specific transaction. On the Transfer Details screen, you should find the Remitly reference number. It's usually labeled as reference number, transaction ID, or something similar. It's a string of numbers and letters that is specific to your transfer. Write this number down or copy it. That's it. You now have your Remitly reference number. You can use this number to track your transfer on the Remitly website or app, or to provide it to the recipient to help them claim the funds. If you are still having problems, contact Remitly support from the app. They are available 24/7 to help.